Hi. Hello. So today I decided to show my face. Yes, this is me. Love Nails by V. Oh, I made it right there. Yeah, this is me. Uh, wow. I didn't know that it's so difficult to record the video of yourself talking. And this is so weird. Uh, well, I'm showing my face firstly because I got uh, inspired by a new friend I met on a comment. I saw a video of her showing her face, and I thought, well, I I literally identified myself with her because she's an introvert. I'm an introvert. She's shy. I'm shy, and I don't know. And it's like I thought, why I don't show my face? Because what bad can happen if I show my face and tell everybody, hey, I'm here, I'm me. Yeah. So on today's video, I'm doing an like Amazon haul because I got so many stuff to show. I want to say thanks to Yo-Yo. Go to her channel. Is Yo-Yo Nails Room. She's a sweet girl, so sweet. And thank you. And to other people that's like introvert and shy like me, and they have something to show, but because of the fear of showing your face or talk, or you don't know how to talk properly, look at me. I'm here. I'm doing it. And I'm nervous as F, but I'm doing it. I think that there's so many people trying, not trying, but there's so many people that have a skill that we all need to learn, and they don't show it because they're afraid. And I think that we are in here in this world to learn from each other. So if I can teach someone, if I can inspire someone, I'm gonna do it. And yeah. I don't know what to say. I was expecting to show my face today, but I did it, and it's not so bad. Enough chit chat, and let's go to our video. Oh yes, bye bye. Hello, lovely people. So after the random appearance of my pretty face, let's get into this video. So first, I want to show you these beautiful design pads. I kept seeing this a lot of you in YouTube videos to change the backgrounds and take pictures from your nails, but I never could find any. Maybe because it's searching for the wrong name for it. These pads in here at least is used for scrapbooks, make cards. I found this in a local store called The Range. It is a store here in the UK, and this really wasn't that expensive. I bought this one, this beautiful design. I love the marble design, they are really beautiful. Then I bought these floral pads. Well, you know, spring is coming, and soon the summer, and it's perfect. I love vivid colors. Um, I don't know, maybe because they give me like that feeling of hot weather cocktails, sunset, and then we have my favorite of them all, the ocean. Uh, I if I could spend my life in front of the sea, I don't know about you, but the sea gives me a sense of peace. It's relaxing, gives me strength, cleans my head. It's a happy place for me. I'm so in love with these designs. They really are beautiful. This one is my favorite. A lot of good vibes in just one piece of paper. And look, look at this turtle. Ah, so cute. Definitely one of my favorites. So after that, I'm gonna open my first package, and this is some sailing bands to 140 grit. They are fine. You can use this to take the shine off your natural nail. Never use 100 or 180, yeah, maybe, but these ones I think uh, they are they are the best one if you want to take the shine off your nails. So then we have this V-Shine gel nail polish. Is a natural milky color gel polish, like a clear white. Uh, I don't have this one on my collection, so I had to buy one. Um, I'm gonna use this for do a set with some dry flowers. I always liked to that sets with like encapsulating flowers and showing in the like a white background, like that milky white background. Then we have these beautiful colors from Makartt. I think this is in a whole collection, but I never had a Makartt nail polish. I only have polygels from Makartt, the green collection, the purple one, and I think the blue. So I was excited to see how pigmented was this gel polishes, uh, and wow, 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 wow! I'm in love. I'm in love because they are so pigmented uh, that just with just one uh, first first coat, you can have the color you want, and this stays like perfectly nice without any lines on the gel polish, because we have that kind of gel polish that when you use you can see the lines on gel polish. This one is like wow. Listen, you don't know how I'm in love with this nail gel polish. uh, for sure, for sure, I'm going to buy more gel polishes from Makartt. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this yellow color. Look at this yellow color. Oh, God, I love it. I love it. Then we have these two sanding slash buffing blocks. I use them sometimes when I don't feel like to use base coats or anything on my nails. I use it to give a bit of shine on my nails. So we have this box with nail tips. I don't like my nails with big C curves, so I got this ones at Amazon. Was the only ones I found with no C curve. But I will cut them when I do a set because I don't like my nails to be too long. I like my nails short or medium length. I like when the nail tips comes inside these boxes. I think it's more organized than when they come inside of the bags. And yes, it's missing nails there. Well, it's not missing because I contacted the seller straight away and he told me that they made a mistake when they designed the box. Instead of 10 spaces they put 11. That's why that's empty space in there. But apart from that, everything is fine. There's no missing size, no missing sizes. The nails seem very sturdy, very thick. They fit well on my nail beds. Yeah, I think it's really important for me. Then in here we have some, I think this is a blooming gel from A. Meili. I think I pronounced it right, Emily. Then we have this label maker. I didn't show it much because the video was already long, but I might do a quick video showing how it works. I got this beautiful green color. It comes with a charger. I think it's a charger, I'm not sure. Instructions on how to use it. This already comes with a label roll inside, but I bought some more because I've got a lot of things to identify. It's light, and for what I've read in the description, you have to download an app and then connect it to your Bluetooth phone. And on the app you have different styles and designs for your letters and labels. Next, I bought another nail gel polish called Bluesky because this one was a big powder, and these polishes at the end are very expensive, so why not get myself one? And this beautiful yellow color, it's very creamy, very pigmented. Just one coat and you're ready to go. And my essay again, this yellow color is just beautiful. And we have another thing from Blue Sky, a base coat and a top coat. And ladies, this top coat just perfect. My top coat is a quick shine. I can't really see in the video. Trust me, my word, you won't regret it. If you buy this top coat, you will fall in love like me. Now, I And then the sky clear solution. This is a 3-in-1 solution. They use these two granules, 552 layer, and you can use this as well as sleep solution if you use polishes. And I found this really useful too, because when you maybe don't find so cute. Basically, basically because it's made of 90% metal. I don't think it's because of the brand. Oh, and I'm making Then we have this beautiful flower box with a set of 6 gel nail polishes from the brand Beauty. They have a translucent color. They are very sheer. They are very smooth to apply. It doesn't leave any marks after you apply it. Has like a more liquid consistency and have a low odor. Basically doesn't smell anything like some of the gel polishes. As you can see here, there's a very sheer color. I like it. I like the color. It's a beautiful nude. Yeah. And yes, here the colors beautiful. Then I have here a number 8 acrylic brush. I'm practicing my acrylic application, so I found this one is a number 8. The bristles are very smooth. Very fine on the tip. And the handle is good quality. It comes with the orange stick. Then we have some nail brushes. They come with 5 different sizes. They are very light. But I didn't like it, the handles. It doesn't seem too strong. I'm gonna use these brushes to do a French tip or detail artwork on my nails, so they are perfect for what I want. Then we have some Makartt gel nail polishes, black and white. You already know what I think about the gel polishes from Makartt. I really like them. They're very pigmented, and you can go wrong with the black and white gel polish because you always need some white, some black to achieve a color that you want. I like the color, the dark color. I think the black and white polishes is always a staple in a gel nail collection. And I really like them. They're very pigmented. Then we have some other ones, acrylic powders. Is a clear acrylic. I can't say much about it because I never tried it yet, but as I swatch it, it seems alright. It's a very fine powder, very smooth application, and is a big jar with 120 grams. Then we have this beautiful packaging from Missy. I don't know how to pronounce. It came with 7 gel liners: black, white, red, blue, I think a green, or no, not a green, a silver, and a gold, and I think I don't know, a yellow gold. I don't know. See, this gold, then another one. I think it's a gold. It is more yellowish. Yeah, they're very pigmented. I love the packaging. And they are big bottles, so it's gonna last you very, very, very long. Then we have some files about these files, because I think that this one covers more when you're filing your nail, and they are more sturdy than the other ones I've got. The other ones I got, they are more on the thin side and they break easily and they don't last long. Oh, and it came with a cuticle nipper, which is always a plus, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Oh, and I forgot, they came with a cuticle pusher and that thing to scrape your nails, to scrape that skin around your cuticle. In here, I've got a cuticle massage cream from KSO Manicure with aloe vera and cocoa butter. And having aloe vera, it's a big plus for me. And the smell, I can't explain the smell. I can't explain. Too good. It's too good to explain. Just to let you know, I love the smell. Very smooth to apply in your hand, and cuticle will feel like velvet. Trust me, it's that good. Next, I've got myself this beautiful pink color card organizer, so I can organize my nail gel polishes better, and I can see all the colors I have, and this way I know which color schemes I need in my collection instead of buying all the same colors. It comes with 260 nail swatches, has a bit of a weight in it, so it's well made. Me like it. Next, got some soft gel tips from Gel Like on the shape medium almond. I read some good reviews on Amazon about these tips that I decided to purchase 3 more nail shapes that you'll see next. I've got this one that you are seeing. Then I've got long coffin, that for me it's more medium coffin. A medium stiletto and a medium square. What I like about these nails is it comes inside a box already organized. It's a plus. It's already pre-etched, meaning that you don't need to file inside the nail. They are made from soft gel instead of ABS material. They are thin on the cuticle area. They feel very soft but sturdy on the area of the apex. They've got 12 sizes from 0 to 11, so you have a lot of choices to fit your nails. I will try to do a set to show you guys if they are good or not. You can see me here trying the nail sizes, and so far so good. I like the way they sit on my nail bed. They fit from side wall to side wall, and yeah, they look perfect. I can't wait to try them on. Next, I've got some nail polishes. Yes, because a nail haul is incomplete if you don't have a collection of nail polishes. At least for myself. And this one is from Born Pretty, Shine Myself. Yes, Shine Myself. Look at this. Yes, look at this beautiful logo, beautiful packaging. Yes, I'm going to shine, baby. Shine like a diamond. Okay. I'm gonna stop. So, I never had any gel polishes from Born Pretty. I never had any gel polishes from Born Pretty. This is my first try. God help me. This is my first try. Really? This is my first time trying this brand. Okay, let's go. They come with base coat, top coat, and matte top coat, and 18 summer colors. So, first impression, I like the size of the bottles. They are 7 ml, so it's pretty decent size for a nail polish. The application is flawless, very smooth, very pigmented. Just one coat and you're ready to go. If not, you can add another one. No concerns whatsoever. The only thing that I didn't like was that when I first opened it, the gel inside was a bit lumpy. But I think it's because they may have stayed a long time on the shelf. Maybe, I don't know. But after I mixed it a little, they seemed fine. So in here, you can see me swatching the colors. Won't swatch every color, otherwise this video will never end. Here, I have this cute yellow. I love yellows. And this one is Must Have Me. Here are the colors all swatched. They are gorgeous colors. Perfect for the hot summer, sunsets, and cocktails. I can't wait to try to do a set with this collection and a glass of cocktail in my hand. Showing off my new nails. And last but not least, let me show you my new UV light from SUNUV. I got this for simple reasons. First, the nail lamp that I have has a base that is now removable, and if I want to do a pedicure, that is not going to happen. Well, it might if I put a towel under you. If I put a towel under my feet, nah, not for me.
and this one is perfect because you can remove the bottom part. Second, if you're doing press-ons, you need to work smarter, not harder. Yeah, and if you got the lumps, it's easy and a quick job. And third, it was a bargain. Listen, I was searching on Google and I saw the same lamp from a famous brand, the gel bottle, I believe. They are UK based, I think, and the only people that come by from this site and this brand is certified nail technicians. Okay, cutting the story short, I saw the same lamp for 143 pounds, and I think it's a collaboration with SUNUV. And then I found this lamp on Amazon for $35.99. It's a bargain or what? You tell me. What a bargain. As you can see, he has a removable base. You can take it off when you do your pedicure and put it on if you do a manicure. Has a shine and a silver design. He has 3 timers of 10, 30 and 60 seconds. And he has a 99 seconds low heat mode that is useful if you are curing hard gels. And is good. This mode is good because it will gradually eating little by little, so you don't have like it spikes when you cure your nails. And it's UV inlet, so you can use for any gel, polish, base, or top coat, or air gels. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed my first Amazon nail haul. Please don't forget to comment, because your feedback is very important to me, so I can improve and learn. Like and subscribe. Sorry if you didn't understand some parts of the video, but I'm a work in progress, so have a little bit of patience. I'm here to push myself to the better. This video for me, it's kind 2-in-1. I'm learning to the way I speak and doing what I like at the same time. I'm not here to teach you anything. I just want to share my journey and as a nail beginner, the struggles and the progress. In the long run, I learned something new, I will for sure share with you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.